Turn Google Translate into your online cash machine. Alright, so you want to make money online using just Google Translate? I get it. It sounds a bit wild, but it's totally doable. I'll break it down step by step. First up, let's talk about what Google Translate actually does. It's a free tool from Google that can instantly translate text between more than 100 languages. Most people use it for travel or homework. But what if you could turn that into a side hustle? Here's the plan. You're going to offer translation services online. Don't worry if you're not bilingual. Google Translate does the heavy lifting. Your job is to find clients who need simple translations. Think emails, blog posts, product descriptions, subtitles. So, where do you find these clients? The easiest way is on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Facebook groups. Just create a profile and list translation as one of your services. Be clear about which languages you can translate to and from. Google Translate covers a ton of them. When a client sends you a document, it's all about workflow. Copy their text, paste it into Google Translate, and get the translation. But here's the hack. Don't just send it back as is. Take a couple of minutes to read through the translation. Sometimes Google Translate gets things a bit weird. Use Grammarly or another grammar checker to polish it up. Check with an online language forum, or ask ChatGPT to refine phrasing. Pricing is key. Start with competitive rates, maybe $5 to $10 for short documents. As you get more reviews and build up your profile, you can increase your prices. Remember, the goal is volume at first. Worried about competition? Here's another trick. Pick less common language pairs. Everyone does Spanish-English, French-English, but translating between Indonesian and Turkish, that's a niche. There's less competition and more demand. Google Translate supports these, so you're good to go. And don't forget to focus on communication. Always deliver before your deadline. Check your messages and be friendly to clients. Repeat business is where you start seeing real results. Keep clients happy, and they come back. Quick tips. Start low to get traction. $5 to $10 for short jobs. Focus on getting reviews. Volume matters at first. Aim for steady orders. Pick unique language pairs to reduce competition. Then rinse and repeat your workflow. It's not overnight. Slow, steady growth wins. Can you build a solid online income stream with just a free tool? Absolutely, with consistency and good delivery. Give it a shot and let me know how it goes in the comments. Be responsive. That's half the battle. Repeat clients equals sustainable income. Small jobs add up. Keep the system moving. All right, let's recap. Use Google Translate for fast, simple translations. Find clients on Fiverr, Upwork, and Facebook. Polish the output before delivery. Start with competitive prices and raise them as you get reviews. Pick unique language pairs to avoid crowded markets. So, can you get rich overnight? Probably not. If you want more step-by-step guides, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one. If you want to know how to use Google Translate in other languages to make money, just visit my link in profile at the end of this video.